Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, this is one of our new sandwich prep tables. Brand on this unit, it's our own company brand, Cooler Depot. All stainless steel unit, very good quality. Now, before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and give you the overall exterior measurements for this unit. I'll also measure the inside for you. Starting with the length here, we're going to be looking at a total of 60 inches of the length, 60 inches. Front to back, we're looking at a total of 29.5 inches. And the overall height will be a total of 42 inches high. Okay, the unit does have casters already installed, so it makes it easier for use. Okay, I also want to go ahead and measure the cutting board here for you. Measurements for that cutting board, you're looking at a total of about 10 inches. Now, I also want to go ahead and open up these lids here, show you the inside. And on the inside, we will be able to locate our pans. They are 1/6 pans that will be provided with this prep table. Okay, you have a total of 16 of these, 8 for each door or section. Okay, so you have a total of 16 pans for this unit. Now, the unit has 2 doors, automatic closing doors. We're going to go ahead and open up these doors, show you the inside, and give you those measurements for the inside as well. Starting with the shelves here, you will be provided with 2 shelves, one for each door, one for each section. You'll also have a thermometer on the inside. Fan for the cooling is located on the inside. We also have stickers here that will show certification for the unit as well as circuit diagram and all the specs regarding the item. Okay, inside measurements. From front to back, we're looking at a total of 17.5 inches. Left to right, we're looking at a total of 56.5 inches. And the overall height on the inside will be a total of 23 inches. Okay, so those are your inside measurements for this prep table. Lastly, before we go here, I want to go ahead and show you the back of this prep table. Okay, and on the back here we will be able to locate our plug, which is a standard US plug. Also, we have our temperature controller on the back. Okay, so this is where you can set your temperature if you want to go ahead and set this unit, and temperature will be shown once the unit is on and running. Okay guys, so that's going to be a little demonstration for this sandwich prep table. If you're interested in one of these items, you can go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the exact price for this prep table. If you have any other questions now, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.